Welcome guys, we're going to be doing a slow roasted beef rib with a creamy potato mash. Pretty sure there's a million ways to do this. This is just a technique that I learned that works pretty well. First thing that I did here was put a bond on the ribs. I just used mustard for that. As far as with the seasonings, I have them here up on the screen. One thing that I would also recommend here is going to the store and finding a nice beef rub, anything that has to do with that. This is really all experimental. I'll put on the screen which one I found. I had found this at Walmart. It was pretty good. When you're wrapping the ribs, just kind of do it in a way to where the actual juices won't fall out. Put it on a rack. If you need to, you could put like an extra rack underneath it, catch any of the juices. It's going to be going in a preheated oven of 300 degrees for 3 hours. Once those are in there, because you got plenty of time, now it's time to get your potatoes ready. Go ahead, just get them peeled up. I have here about 4 to 5 potatoes, and you're just going to want to give them a rough chop. Now, when you're doing this, you should have 2 pots with water boiling. One is going to be for the potatoes, as you see here. One is for the eggs. You don't have to use egg if you're not a fan of eggs, but I use them in this recipe just to give the mashed potatoes a little bit more body. You see here I'm testing out the potatoes to make sure I don't want them to fall apart. I want them like kind of hard. Once they're at that point, take them out. And then I also have some water with ice for the eggs to cool off, because we're going to be giving them a nice chop to put inside of the mashed potatoes. Let's work on the mashed potatoes. So you just put a little bit of mustard in there. You're going to put about 3 to 4 tablespoons of mayo. It is based off of taste, what you like, so just taste as you go. I also did end up using about 4 tablespoons of butter. You will see that I put them in different times as I'm mashing the potatoes. And I added black pepper, garlic powder. There is half a cup of milk, but right here we're only using a quarter. You want to slowly add in the milk. Then I added some parsley, paprika, 1 more tablespoon of butter. Potatoes should be good. With your eggs, just peel them and cut them up into fine little pieces, and then add them to your mashed potatoes. Give that a good mix. I also added some Parmesan. I thought it would be a good idea. I also cut up some green onions. Now after about 3 hours in the oven, take out your ribs. No, they're not ready yet. They don't look too appetizing. You can put any type of barbecue sauce that you would like. This sauce that I got here, I also got at Walmart, but you're free to try any type of barbecue. The last part of the cooking process, we're going to broil the ribs 5 to 6 minutes. And now you see they look much better than the first time we seen them. They're basically almost ready to go. Just put some more of your sauce. Now you could go ahead and plate. This is how I did mine. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, share. Until next time.